still shooting.
It's October 1st, 2016. The season is here, boys. We're ready to rock. We've got stands up. We've got, well, we don't have food plots ready. Some of you people got food plots ready, but the season's here. It's time to get going. We got Kyle meeting up with me here in a minute. We're gonna head out to Peppers, do a little doe management, maybe shoot a buck, you never know. We're about ready to load up in the white stallion and head on out. Get her loaded up.
Forgot my dang hat. That's a good thing about these October hunts. Kind of work out all the first hunt jitters and get everything dialed in for the year before the big boys standing there at 20 yards. Hey, we got high pressure, about 63 degrees when we came out this afternoon, southwest wind. I got this stand just inside the timber, about 15 yards. And then I'm facing into a big open flat that has oak trees on kind of both sides of it. So I can hear all the acorns falling. The wind's perfect. All the deer are typically all out in front of me. Wind's right in my face. So we're gonna sit tight and see what happens.
Meh.
I think we got back straps, I'm pretty sure. God, I think that's the big old doe that, I swear. She sees me every time. It came out in front of me, wind was perfect, which the wind's about dead now, but out in front of me, came in around, I swear, as soon as she got to where she could even see the tree, she looks at me, and I am in a good tree, like, I got back cover, I got everything I need. She's just one of them old does that just knows when things aren't right. We won't have to worry about her come rut picking me off. I just hope I made a good shot. It looked pretty good. I love getting that first doe kill under my belt for the year. Just kind of, all the work you do all year just makes everything worth it. All right, I already went in here and found the first blood, but I'm gonna go back and put a sweatshirt right by it. But you will see. Right, there's blood. There's blood all down in there. Blood there.
All right, there she is. We found her. She probably went, I don't know, 100 yards or so. Piled up. It was a little bit high of a hit, but got both lungs still. Like I was saying, this is just one of them old does. I probably had just as many encounters with her as I've had some of the bucks I'm chasing this year. So it's pretty good accomplishment to get a big old girl on the ground. Just got to my buddy Derek's house this morning. I'm gonna go hunt with him this morning and film him. They got a pretty good farm. Him and his buddy Ross kind of manage together. It's about 450 acres of nice food plots, good tree stands and stuff. So I'm gonna go film him this morning and see what happens. Let's walk in here. I think he's getting dressed. There he is, right there. The legend, the one, the only. Look at this.
Typical first time out in the woods. Mornings aren't the best time to learn all your flaws, but we got set up. Already had a couple different deer come by. We've actually got one bedded like 25 yards right now. It's nice to get out in the stand, see what happens. Got a couple good bucks in the area. And if none of them show up, hopefully a big mature doe shows up. I'm ready to let an arrow fly, so we'll see what the day brings.
She went down.
Oh yeah. She's got a doe, big old fat doe. Come in here, there was two of them. The one of them, I think, seen us or something. She kind of left. The other one stepped right there in the opening, and I just den ringed her. I think she fell down right over there. First day in the stand with the new Mathews Halon. Killed me a turkey in Nebraska. Killed me a doe at about 30 yards. We got coyotes going crazy in the background right now. She's laying right over there. Whew. Yes. That boy. You did it right there. Oh, there she is. There she is, right there. All right, bud. All right, bud.
Luminox still in her.
Oh, yeah.
Big old girl. She is quartering away, huh?
Oh, yeah. I mean, that thing was in there.
That far.
Like that.